what's happening here today is the Community Day of the Knowledge-Based Program for Circular and Climate Neutral Society. And on this day we bring all the projects together. The people are here to inform each other, to inspire each other.
Welcome at the Community Day. To make it a success, a circular transformation, then you really have to integrate a lot of knowledge. And that are we doing today.
If we want to move to a fossil-free society, then we will need an alternative to be able to fade out these fossil-based products, and that would be the bio-based products.
I'm really happy to see that so many researchers from so many different disciplines come together here. I think that we need all these different visions and perspectives to come to integral, sustainable solutions.
Our project is about microbiome connectivity in circular systems and what is the role of microbiomes for creating a more resilient system.
My project's on defining strategies to recycle materials that at present are not recycled or are very difficult to recycle. The impact is that we are able to, of course, have more circular materials, but also it very good shows all the actors that need to be involved. And it also shows that society quite drastically needs to change, because at present we are not really carbon neutral.
In our project we develop biorefinery processes and the diagnostics that are needed to process, for example, mussels or other low-trophic marine organisms to be used for a climate-neutral society.
We want to explore alternative economic models, and we want to design effective and sustainable strategies for assessing and addressing. So we need there the tools and the data about the challenges to a climate-neutral economy.
What we started with was actually creating climate stories from the future as a starting point to actually create a climate knowledge agenda. So what do we need to know to end up in that future where we actually want to be?
We try to improve the way we can use our models to assess synergies and trade-offs that we encounter when we evaluate the impact of policies.
The key element of the project is to understand a little bit more about behavior and to build and select the instruments that change that behavior towards circular economy.
So within this project we learn how to work together, different team of people with different expertises, and we learn how to speak the same language, which is important in order to solve societal problems.
We need these other projects because we try to solve the barriers that they encounter, and then we can give them back methodology that helps them continue their quest.
Well, with the program on Circular and Climate Neutral Society, we provide a knowledge base for policymakers, and we provide building blocks and new technologies. In the program we also have many researchers who reach out to society at large. So in this way the program has many different target groups for outreach and communication.
Thank you.